Workabees of Halal. You have favorite numbers. What is your most favorite? Of course, you know, I came up with about 50 numbers. And so we had to break it down to maybe one or two. And I think the most popular of all the 50 was this next song that they're gonna dance for you. Okay, surprise ladies! They don't know what they are doing yet. Just be ready. Hello. Oh, they know. Jump, never ready. What a simple, wonderful song for a place that I love, Kona. There is Kona in the calm, below the wonderful clouds. None can compare to your beauty, oh Kona. I am the newcomer to this place that I love. And they embrace you, they welcome you to this land with open arms. Oh Kona, you are my love. With your special way that you treat all to your friends. Your hospitality is awesome. Too soon, our story has come to an end. There is no two places that I can find in this entire world like you, O Kona. This means the echo of our song. My minute has come to an end about this place called Kona. One can never compare to it.